Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Hull is a historic neighborhood in the heart of Gatineau, Quebec. Here, you will find one of the most iconic landmarks in the area, the parish of St. Joseph Cathedral. This beautiful cathedral, built in 1860, is not only a place of worship but also a piece of Hull's rich history. It's a symbol of the French-Canadian heritage that runs deep in Gatineau, and it's an important cultural and spiritual center for the community. The cathedral's architecture, with its grand bell tower and classic design, is a stunning example of the religious structures built during that time. Hull, where the cathedral is located, is one of the oldest parts of Gatineau. It's right across the river from Ottawa, and it has seen a lot of changes over the years. From being a small village in the 1800s to becoming a bustling part of Gatineau, Hull has always been a place of growth and community. Its proximity to Ottawa, the capital of Canada, makes it a lively area, with plenty of parks, shops, and cultural venues. Hull is also home to beautiful natural landscapes, including the nearby Ottawa River and various parks. Thanks for joining us in this scenic tour of Hull, in Gatineau, Quebec.
Thanks for watching!